want to be able to see, is it greater than 50%? Is it less than 50%? It kind of tells you, do I have to subtract from 1? Do I not have to subtract from 1? So if you look to the left of this, excuse me, your placement is right to the right of this, a little bit over from this. So you know you're going to be real close to 50%. When you look up your area, you get your area, and you're very close to 50%. If I can make this a little bigger. Better?
You always want to know more decimals.
Use what the table does, 4 decimals. If you're going to use your calc, go 4 decimals. The z-scores on your table also go 2 decimals. The z-score in your calculators can go more than that. But when we get to the z-score part. So right now, yeah, around 4 decimals if you could. To the left of negative 3.16, we know that's a very small area. It's left of negative 3. That's very unusual. It's going to be a very small area. It's far less than 1%. It's less than 1/10 of 1%. To the right, when we do this, here's the 0. It's barely to the left of the 0, but we know this part down here is less than 50%. So when we look that up, and that's more than 50%, we realize, and this looks more than 50% over here, and this guy is less than 50%, we know we have to subtract it from 1. So that's where your sketch kind of helps you out. So subtract your area from 1, and leave it at that. Yes?
So whenever we see something that says to the right, are we always do the 1 minus?
1 minus. But your sketch also helps you, because from looking at this, I'm covering more than 50% of my graph. It's more than the halfway mark. When I look this up, this is less than 50%. So now I know automatically I have to subtract from 1. Okay? I'm not sure. Oh, this one, okay. If you rounded this in your table, it would look to be this. Now, what you also could do is what we call extrapolate. If you want to extrapolate, notice that this falls exactly halfway between the 0, and the 5, right? The 5 falls between the 2 numbers. You could take these 2 numbers, right? And then you could subtract this, divide the difference between them by 2, and add them on to the first one. So your area is falling somewhere in between here, exactly halfway between here. That's where your area falls, because you're 3.355. It's falling halfway between. So if you take the difference, divide it in half, and add that half to this number, you will find exactly that area. Okay? And then you're just going to subtract it from 1. Do your regular thing. We call that extrapolating. Your calculator will take care of that for you. So your calculator doesn't have a problem with that. To the right of this guy, we can see to the right we have a really small area. Anything over 3 is very unusual, which means it's very small percentage. And again, we can see it's less than 1%. Okay. Between, there's a couple of between. This is where your calculator is really nice. Because on your calculator, again, if you want to do it on your calculator, second VARs.
You gotta go out of it now.
I can't get out of this. I don't know. I think I'm frozen. For some odd reason. I don't know.
So for 35, we use parallel periods.
I can't even get this with this. For 35, it says and.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, to the left and to the right. Okay, so then you're going to have to add them up. I can't even get rid of this thing. I don't know if my whole screen is frozen. turn that on. Something's wrong with my smartboard. I don't know. I think it's flashing now. No. I don't know. Does anybody have a suggestion? I'm at a loss. Let's see. My smartboard's not working, so hang on a second. Working. All right, so this in between on number 31, the calculator works really nice for your in between. Yes, Shayla?
When I put it in the calculator, I put my lower boundary as the 0.
Yes.
0.500, and then I put that.
What? What'd you put it as?
0.500.
What's the z-score?
For 0.
0. Just put 0 in there.
I don't put 0.50.
Nope. You gave me the area.
Oh.
Just put 0. Put your z-score.
And then you put for your upper
2.86.
So you don't put the area, you put the z.
Yeah. If you're going to put the area, then you might as well you already looked them up, you might as well just subtract them. Right? This is so that you don't have to look up on the table at all. Use your z-scores. Use those boundaries right down here. Still blinking. Okay, this guy, this other in between, look at the symmetry. So technically, if you looked up 1, you'd get the other one there. So they both have to, they both are going to add up to 1 between this guy and this guy. So subtract them, you'll get your area. You've got most of your curve. You're almost plus or minus 2. Plus or minus 2 is 96, 95%. So you're going to be right around there. Now this one, they threw a little curve at you. To the left and to the right. These are mutually exclusive. They could have used the or word as well. So we're going to just add those together. Or take 1 and multiply it by 2. Because if you look up this one, you get it to the left. If you look up this one, you'll have to subtract it from 1. It is the same exact area as this side. So just multiply your area by 2. Good? Questions at all? All right. All right. Tomorrow, I'm going to give you ones that look like this. So that you're going to have word problems. So
You have to find the z-score.
you have to find the z-score. So let's see if my z-score thing, when I copied it copied a little strange. But this is your problem in your book. Let's see if this works. I am just so not connected. I don't know why. I don't know what's wrong with this.